Hello everyone, I have a unboxing here. I was notified at 3 a.m. from the eBay that somebody listed one of these, and I've been looking for one for a little over a year now, I believe. So I don't know how the guy got a bunch of this equipment, but he had a bunch of these style listed, so let's see what's inside here. This is from that treasure hunter in Santa Clara, California. So I'll link his eBay down in case he's only got like one feedback, so he's a fairly new seller. So I was a little hesitant, but at 3 a.m. when you're looking for something for a year and it comes up, you just hit buy now. So, and it has some weird block pads. So, let's see what this is. Corner's a bit messed. It wasn't messed up like that on the picture. But, okay, so Xeltek for the Superpro 7000. This is the adapter. It uses some odd connectors, and these connectors here are unobtainable. I have to look at this through the microscope before I power it up. It's got some flaws. But yeah, that little ding on the corner. But there it fits. Yeah, you can't get these adapters. They're discontinued because these connectors here have been discontinued. So, but yeah, I finally got one. I'll show you the difference. This is a GX. See the bigger high-rose connectors? GX, EX. So. But I'll get that powered up here, and we'll be right back. Okay, had to hunt my long USB cable down. So we have the programmer here. I will put the adapter on. Yeah, that little corner is not going to be a problem. Plug this in and boot her up. It's detecting. We are in remote mode. Let's first, well, Alt S or Control S, and it comes up with an EX0001, date of 2012, July 6th. So it detects the security chip, or extortion chip as I call it. Okay. So let's try an AppMega 328P. select device, select device, 328P. We'll hit read. And we read. Read OK. I think the repair of this programmer, a little over a year later, has been successful. Let's verify. And that verifies. Okay, device, select device, 27C256. Just go generic. And let's try a older EEPROM. Let's read. Device buffer. Oh, we've got stuff in the buffer. And verify. It's good. I'm going to say this programmer's ready for a magic chip. So it deserves one of its own. So we'll see y'all later.